So your customer is asking for a VAT invoice, your supplier is asking for a VAT number, and eBay and Amazon are charging VAT on the fee that you actually pay to them. And you are not a VAT registered seller and you are all confused about it, like how this is going to work. Don't worry, in this video, I'm gonna explain each and everything. My name is Ansha. On this channel, I talk about how to sell on eBay and Amazon, realistically make money out of it. And obviously as a business, it is very crucial for us to understand how the VAT and tax and each and everything will work. So I will explain everything in this video. First of all, VAT is a value added tax. So if I go to HMRC website right here, they say business have to. It is compulsory for them to register for VAT when if their turnover, keep in mind this is sales, this is not the profit. Obviously corporation tax and income tax normally applies on a profit, but VAT it applies on your sales, your turnover. If your annual turnover 12 months period of time, any 12-month period of time will go over 85,000, this is once it becomes compulsory for you to register for a VAT, and then you will have to make your monthly or quarterly submissions, all that kind of stuff as well. But as a new seller, I don't recommend having a VAT number. There is no point of that. Like for example, this headphone is £10. As soon as I become a VAT registered seller, I will have to charge VAT to my customer. So I will have to charge £12. Like the total price will become £12. The prices will go up, then it will become harder for you to actually compete with other sellers in the terms of prices as well. So when the customer asks you for a VAT invoice, you can go to the websites like free invoice generator. This one, I'm gonna put the link for them inside the description. Obviously, if you are using some accounting and bookkeeping, and I highly recommend using Osome for your e-commerce accounting and bookkeeping, they have an option to create the VAT invoice or non-VAT invoice from inside their software. So you don't have to use any third-party software, and they can help you register a company. They only charge you £12. They can arrange the business bank account, all that kind of stuff as well. So I'm going to put the link for them inside the description. Do check them out. If you come to this website right here, I'm going to put the link for them inside the description. You don't need to sign up. It is completely free to use it. You can actually create one invoice right here. So you put your logo right here, put your company name, put your customer address, all that kind of stuff, date, like the description for the item. Here, normally this will be checked. So it will ask you how much tax you're gonna charge on it. So normally the VAT is 20%, but if you're not VAT registered seller, you're just simply gonna cross this one and you're gonna write this one on an invoice. I'm gonna put this text inside the description as well. This is not a VAT invoice. No VAT was charged. And once you send this invoice to your customer, you're gonna explain them. You can actually download, once this one will be done, you can download this one as a PDF file. You download this one, send it to your customer and explain them you are somebody who is under the VAT threshold and you are not legally, there is no legal obligation for you to actually apply for VAT. I will write some sort of script for you and I will put that inside the description as well. And you did not charge them any VAT. So if no VAT was charged, you can't give them a VAT invoice. This is the solution once the customer will ask you for the VAT invoice. You're gonna say the same thing once your supplier is asking for a VAT number as well. But a lot of people ask me, do we need to have a VAT number if we need to import something from China? Or what about the VAT that we will pay to Amazon? What about the VAT that we are paying to eBay? Like we are not VAT registered. So a lot of people, they confuse this, and I was like one of them as well. There is a difference. So first of all, there is a VAT as a retailer, which I explain it to you as a business. You are a limited company or a sole trader, doesn't matter. As soon your sales will go over 85,000, you get the VAT number and you start charging the VAT to your customers, start giving them invoices which have a VAT number on it. This is a VAT that you are charging to your customer as a retailer. But obviously, sometime you are on the other side of the line as well, where you will have to pay VAT as a customer. So let's say I go to Asda, I go to Tesco, I buy something from there. Asda, Tesco is a VAT registered business. Their sale goes over 85,000 within 12-month period of time. So once they will give you the invoice, on the invoice you will see that there will be a breakdown of each and everything. everything. So this will be the price without like VAT, then this much VAT we applied on it, and this is the total after the VAT. And also along with that, they will give you the VAT number as well. Like you will have to legally give the VAT number if you are a VAT registered seller. So this is the VAT that you will have to pay to them as a consumer. Do you need a VAT number? Like every person who go and buy something from Asda or Tesco, do they have a VAT number? No, you don't need to have a VAT number once you need to pay VAT. So once you are paying a fee to Amazon, once you're paying a fee to eBay, you are a VAT registered, you're a non-VAT registered person, but obviously you are using a services from somebody who is a VAT registered business. So on any fee, any commission which they're going to charge you, they're going to charge you VAT, and there is no way to skip that one. Same thing once you buy something from China, you pay a VAT, like import VAT, because you are importing something. So once you import something, you don't need to have a VAT number, but you will still have to pay import VAT, and all of this, it can be deducted as a business expense. So that's the reason I recommend using an accountant like Osome right from the beginning. And along with that, I'm going to put one video right here which will explain you about other taxes that you will have to pay, like, you know, corporation tax, income tax, how much that is going to be. It will explain each and everything. So hopefully you understand now. Make sure you hit the subscribe, like, all that kind of stuff. Take care.